Hello, Math Masterminds. We're continuing our unit on geometry, working with volume of cylinders. This example reads, Jackie has a cylindrical container in her kitchen with the measurements shown at the right. If 3/4 of the space inside the container is filled with sugar, how many cubic inches of sugar are in the container? First, I have to find out what information I'm given. It says filled. Nowhere in my question does it ask me about volume. I have to know based on words that's given. Another indicator is cubic inches. Both of these refer to volume. Remember, volume means the amount the cylinder can hold. So I'm going to use my formula for a cylinder. My base is circular, so my big B I'm going to replace with the area of a circle. So I'm going to replace big B with pi r squared, and I will multiply it by the height of the cylinder. I'm ready to substitute values for my variables. My radius is 4, my height is 16. Let's think about that. If I look back into the information given, it tells me that the container is only 3/4 of the space inside is filled with sugar. So therefore, it's not filled all the way. So I need to determine what's 3/4 of 16. And when I calculate, I get 12 centimeters. So my height isn't actually 16. Instead, it's going to be 12 centimeters. Now I'm ready to calculate using the pi key, not 3.14. And I get a volume of 603 and 1900 cubic centimeters filled with sugar. Example 2. The can of peas has a diameter of 7 inches and a height of 9.5 inches. What is the total amount of peas the can can hold to the nearest hundreds? Once again, I have to read carefully and look at key words that's given because I do not see the word volume, but it does tell me the can hold. That's the amount of space on the inside. So I'm going to use my volume of a cylinder formula. My base is circular, so I'm going to, again, use area of a circle to replace big B. My formula calls for radius and height. I look back into the problem. I'm given the diameter, not the radius, so I have an additional step. I need to take the diameter divided by 2 in order to get my radius. And then I will use the height and substitute into my problem. Now I'm ready to calculate. And again, we're using the pi key on the calculator, not 3 and 1400ths. And I get a volume of 365 and 60/100 centimeters cubed of space in the can of peas. So once again, if you have any questions, you can come see me in Google Meet by pressing the help button in our virtual classroom.